Hey guys, welcome to the Feel Great System family. I'm going to show you the proper way to use your Feel Great System. But first, let's do a quick rundown of each of the packets. Here is the Unimate, what we call the tea. The Unimate tea is used to suppress your hunger. It also helps your body burn fat for fuel. It's really high in chlorogenic acids, which is great for your mind, focus, and concentration. Plus, it's a natural mood booster. You can drink your Unimate tea iced or hot, whichever way you prefer. It doesn't matter. When mixing your Unimate tea, make sure you use between 16 to 20 ounces of water. Again, iced or hot. And sip on it for about 30 to 40 minutes. Enjoy it. It's delicious. This baby right here is the most important part when it comes to eating your meals. This balance adds all the fibers, plant nutrients, vitamins, and minerals to whatever meal you decide to eat, from pizza, salads, to even McDonald's. The best part of it is food freedom. Eat whatever you want without the guilt. When mixing your balance, you want to use a bottle with a cover on it or a shaker, and you want to put about 4 to 6 ounces of water in it. Take your packet and put it right inside the water, like so. Here's the important part. Get your cover, and you want to shake it 5 to 6 or 7 times. And that's it, and just chug away. You never want to stir the balance. So after you've taken your balance, you're gonna wait 5 to 10 minutes and then eat whatever you want. Don't exceed 15 minutes. If you wait longer than 15 minutes before you start eating, take another balance. So that's why it's really important to remember 5 to 10 minutes and then eat whatever you want. Let's go through the dream routine. You wake up in the morning and you mix your Unimate tea with 16 to 20 ounces of water. Remember, iced or hot, and you want to sip on it for about 30 to 40 minutes. The tea should suppress your hunger between 1 to 4 hours, but of course, it's going to vary per person. When you start to get hungry, you're going to grab your balance and you're going to mix that 4 to 6 ounces of water, and you're going to chug it and wait 5 to 10 minutes and eat like a king or queen. And you'll repeat the process when you start to feel hungry again later on in the day. So once again, a typical day, you'll have your tea in the morning, you'll have your fiber before you have lunch, and you'll have your fiber again before you have dinner. But what if I want to eat breakfast? No problem. Wake up in the morning, instead of having your tea, take a balance, wait 5 to 10 minutes, and eat breakfast. And do the same thing before you do any other meal during the day. Just remember to drink at least 1 tea during the day, somewhere in between lunch, dinner, or between breakfast and lunch. It's your life. Use the tools however you want. That's the great thing about the Feel Great System. It works with your lifestyle. These are tools that we use to help us wedge the gap that helps us stay consistent and get all those nutrients and vitamins and fiber to fix our gut health and help our insulin levels. If you ever feel hungry in between meals, you can always have another tea. Don't forget that Unimate tea is an appetite suppressant, and you can have as many teas as you like during the day, and you can have as many fibers as you like a day. So these are just tools. Make sure you use it for what works best for you. I hope the Feel Great System changes your life like it has mine. It's so simple, it's stupid. If you have any questions on how to use the Feel Great System, make sure you reach out to the person that you signed up with. Welcome to the Feel Great System. Get ready to have food freedom and to live the best life that you've ever had.